Somewhere in the back mountain hills of Cold Lady lived a young boy named Rocky Raccoon. Now, one day his woman ran off with another guy, hit young Rocky in the eye. Rocky didn't like that. He said, I'm gonna get that boy. So one day he walked into town, booked himself a room in a local saloon. Rocky Raccoon checked into his room, only to find Gideon's Bible. Rocky had come, equipped with a gun, to shoot off the legs of his rival. His rival, it seems, had broken his dreams by stealing the girl of his fancy. Her name was McGill, and she called herself Lil, but everyone knew her as Nancy. Now she and her man, who called himself Dan, were in the next room at the hoedown. Rocky burst in, and grinning a grin, he said, Danny boy, this is our showdown. But Daniel was hot, he drew first and shot, and Rocky collapsed in the corner. Now doctor came in, stinking of gin, proceeded to lie on the table. Said, Rocky met your match. And Rocky said, Doc, it's only a scratch, and I'll be better, Doc, as soon as I am able. Now Rocky Raccoon, he fell back in his room, only to find Gideon's Bible. Gideon had come, and left him no doubt, to help with good Rocky's revival.